In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download and install free fonts in Davinci Resolve. Be sure to leave a like on this video and watch it to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. You're going to begin by going to dafont.com, just like so, and choosing whatever actual font you would like. There are different categories if you would like, so there is decorative, there is things like alien, there is old school, things like that. Now, if I wanted to download this campus font or this athletic font, all I'm going to do is just click on download and it's going to go straight into my downloads. I'm then going to extract it to my desktop, just like so, and then I am going to close this. What you're then going to do is open this file and click on install, and it should go fairly quickly.